Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to get new users on TEMU. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to get new users to use your link on TEMU, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and get the actual link first. So, you want to open up the TEMU app here and just access your account. It's going to go back here, turn to cart. And in here, you want to go to the U tab here, and you want to go and choose the option that says coupons and offers. Now, in here, there are different other ways for you to win free gifts, but you can go and just click on the claim up button there if you want. But you also have the option that says play and earn in your U tab here, and it should give you different options here to claim different gifts. So in this case, let's go and choose one of the options here, and let's go and just view our link. Now, once you are inside, you want to go and either copy the link or copy the code. But in our case, let's go and copy the code. And once you've copied that, you can go ahead and go back into your main menu here, and you want to open up your notepad. Let's go open up our notepad here. Now, you want to go and just type in something similar to this. Now, obviously, you can go and customize it yourself, but in this case, you can go ahead and basically just paste your code in here. Let's go press and hold on it and just paste our code, as you can see right now. And you can even delete other options or other text in here. Just keep the code, the actual code in here. And you can go and click on the check at the top right if you want. But in here, just go and select the empty space. And let's go ahead and do a quick screenshot on our phone. Let's go and select empty space again. Go quick screenshot. And once you've done that, you want to go and exit this page. You want to go ahead, open up your gallery here. And you want to open up your photos. Now from here, you want to go ahead and maybe crop this one real quickly so that you can only see the text that we just added in here. And click on save. Once you've done that, you want to open up any platforms that you have, like for example, Facebook, even Instagram here, even X, depends on what you have right now. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and basically upload this into your story or post this into your account. You go and click on the plus at the bottom right here, and you want to go ahead and choose the photo. Let's go and choose this one. Like you add whatever you want in here. Let's go and click on OK. Now you can even add like stickers if you want, music if you want, and yeah. So once you posted this into your account, people would typically view your stories, and you can go and start sharing your code here, and hopefully they start using it so that you could get new users or to invite inside to you. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.